Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. If you're a franchise dealer, parts director, fixed ops manager who knows wholesale parts revenue could be doing more work, this video is for you. Today I'm walking you through my wholesale parts playbook. Same framework I cover in depth, full guide available on Gumroad. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to get the core strategy, how the business model works, who your customers are, how to price, how to build the process, and a 60-day roadmap to launch for scale. Let's get into it. Here's a fundamental business case. Most dealers have a parts department. It exists to support service, keep the tech stock. That's leaving serious money on the table. Think about it. A single independent body shop buying $8,000 a month from me at a 22% gross margin is $1,760 a month. 10 of those accounts, $17,600 a month. You got no showroom, no test drives, no trade and negotiations. Unlike retail customers who disappear, wholesale accounts order every single week. That's compounding revenue that's recurring from the relationships you build once and protect with service quality. There are 4 wholesale customer types you need to understand. They're not equal in value, complexity, or loyalty. Independent repair shops are bread and butter. They order frequently, they're loyal when you take care of them, and they exist in every market. Start here. Body shops, higher ticket. Bumpers, panels, painted parts. They're price sensitive, and OEM versus the aftermarket will be a constant conversation. Your job is to make the OEM path of least resistance. Fleet accounts, here you have your volume plays. Governments, utility companies, delivery fleets. Lower margin, but predictable, recurring, high volume orders. The inter-dealer wholesale, selling to other franchise dealers, easy relationship business, thin margins, but you get fast turns. It's great for moving stock. Once you have the accounts, you have to tier them, because not every account deserves the same level of service. Trying to treat them equally will burn you out. Your team, gold accounts, $5,000 a month or more. Get a dedicated rep. Priority on the first delivery run. Net 30-day terms. These are your revenue anchors. You protect them with service, not with price. Silver and bronze accounts get progressively less of the white glove treatment, but they still get delivery. Prospects, accounts that spend $500 or less, start at will call until they earn delivery through volume. The goal of tiering isn't to punish the smaller accounts. It's to allocate your delivery and your representative resources where they generate the most return. The pricing matrix is how you scale wholesale without renegotiating every order. You set discount tiers by account type, and everyone knows where they stand. Retail counter stays at list. Your gold wholesale accounts get 20 to 27% off. That gets them to roughly 18 to 25% gross margin per year. Fleet agreements go deeper on discount, but make it up in volume. Here's a critical insight, and this is something most dealers get wrong. Don't use price as your primary retention tool. When a competitor calls your best account and offers 2 more points of discount, you've already lost if that's all you have. Fill rate, delivery speed, and a rep who answers the phone before 8 a.m. Those are worth more than a discount. They don't cost you $1 of margin. Wholesale parts is on a short sales cycle. These shops need parts. They need them fast. And they'll buy from whoever makes it easiest. Read that again, whoever makes it easiest. Step 1 is a cold introduction. Show up during slow hours, Tuesday through Thursday, 8 to 10 in the morning. Drop your info, introduce yourself. Don't pitch on the first contact. You're just establishing that you exist and that you're serious. Step 2, follow up 3 to 5 days later with 1 qualifying question. What brand do you work on most? That'll open the conversation about whether you have the right inventory. Step 3 is winning the first order. When they call with their quote request, respond in under 10 minutes. The first order is the entire audition. Speed and accuracy. Close it more than price does. Step 4, onboarding. Set up the account formally. Assign a representative. Give them a direct number. That's what separates you from every aftermarket rep who just drops in and leaves a catalog. This is the one that dealers who dabble in wholesale, dealers who build the real operations. It's delivery and fill rate. This is your actual product. Shops don't care who your OEM is. They care whether you have the part and whether you got it there on time. Target fill rate is between 88 and 94%. Below 85, and shops will start looking elsewhere. Above 94, and you're probably carrying too much debt inventory. The way you hit that range is simple. Run a monthly report on what your top accounts actually order. Make sure you stock it. On the delivery side, 1 branded delivery vehicle, 1 driver who actually represents your dealership well. 2 or 3 route circuits per day, publish cutoff times. If shops know your cutoffs, they plan their orders around you. That's dependency, it's loyalty. This slide here, literally free money that most dealers are not collecting. Your OEM has stocking incentive programs. You can earn better parts costs by carrying the right breadth and depth of inventory. They have wholesale loyalty bonuses. Hit a volume threshold in the quarter and give 2 to 5% rebate on everything you buy. They have co-op advertising funds for promoting your wholesale department that most dealers never claim. For collision-specific OEM certification programs like Honda Pro First, Toyota T-Care incentivize certified shops to source OEM parts. Know which shops in your market hold those certifications. Make sure that you're the go-to supplier. Here's the simplest action item in this whole video. Schedule a 15-minute call with your OEM parts rep this week. Ask them directly, what programs are you not fully utilizing? That call pays for itself every single time. Here's how to actually launch this. 8 weeks, 4 phases, clear deliverables. Week 1 and 2. Audit where you are. Pull your wholesale revenue map, every shop within 15 miles. Benchmark your fill rate. Confirm what OEM problems you do qualify for. Weeks 3 and 4, build the infrastructure. Pricing matrix, account setup process, delivery vehicle, route schedule, publish cutoff times. 5 and 6, prospecting blitz. Target 30 shops, drop your info, follow up by phone, and close your first 5 accounts. Your goal by the end of the week is 6 accounts ordering. Weeks 7 and 8, activate on scale. Onboard new accounts formally. Call your OEM rep regarding incentive programs. Get your first fill rate report. Install KPI scorecard, and at day 60, compare your revenue against the baseline. Let me leave you with one thing I want you to take from this video. Wholesale parts is not a complicated business. The math isn't hard. The process isn't exotic. What's rare is consistency. Showing up the same shops every week, filling orders accurately, answering the phone before the counter is staffed, getting 5 accounts a month without losing the ones you already have. Do that for 12 months, and you have $100K to $200K per month in wholesale operations. It's not an exaggeration. That's what this system produces when it's executed. If you want the full playbook, all 8 chapters, the complete pricing matrix, scripts, KPI scorecard, OEM program checklist, and the 60-day launchpad in detail. It's available right now. jmjinsights.gumroad.com. Link is in the description. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your current monthly wholesale revenue? I read every comment. See you in the next one.